friends, and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. Today I will be telling you a little bit about my background, and since I was not showing my face in my previous video, and I thought it was just not fair for my viewers to not to know who's cooking behind the camera. So this is me. My name is Princy and I'm from Canada. My parents are Sri Lankan Tamil, and my husband is a Sri Lankan Sinhalese, and we've been happily married for 8 years, and we have a daughter together. She's 1.5 years, and her name is Abigail. And food was my passion since I was growing up, throughout my childhood, and I started learning to cook and learn recipes from my mom, friends, families, and I would put my own twist into my recipe. And so I just want to let you guys know that I'm not going to be only making Sri Lankan or Indian food. I'll be making food from all over the world. As I told you guys before, I'm from Canada. Canada is a multicultural country, and there's so much of all over the people from the world who lives in Canada. So throughout the years, I started learning and putting my own twist into my friends and family's recipes, and my own recipes, my own inventions with recipes. And so I'll be posting more videos in coming weeks, and I hope you guys are enjoying my video. And thank you for those who have subscribed to my channel, and thanks to everybody who's watching my channel, and I hope you guys enjoying my video. Please just do not watch, try it as well. And for my Tamil friends, I'm so sorry. I can speak Tamil, but when it comes to certain ingredients, I don't know how to say it in Tamil. That's why I'm always telling it in English. But I will try my best to post more Tamil recipe videos. And till then, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.